please have a plan B in place so that reduces the pressure on your mind, right? Some people say no, hum yahi karenge and all those things, but I frankly, in my perspective, it just increases the pressure on your mind, and then you cannot study with a free and confidence. So that is one thing again I would reiterate. The other thing is, of course, to focus, to be very aware of your surroundings, of what is happening, to be very what nowadays I think all this madness is happening. You are either on this side or you are on that side, but the truth is somewhere always in between, right? So you have to have that balance and perspective in your mind, even when you're writing the answers, because whoever is going to read your answers, they would be very impressed if you can come out with a very balanced and a meaningful answer. And that comes only when you have really thought about it. When you really, ऐसे कुछ लिख देना वो BA वगैरह में ठीक है, but not for civil services. So I think those are the two things which I would really suggest.